My name is Dana Taylor Bell, and I live in Sacramento, California, and I am taking the Story Sale Maintenance course. And one of the reasons why I decided to take this class is because I knew that at the end of the 12 weeks of the Story Sales course that I wanted to continue to learn more. It's sort of like continuing education in the medical field. So a doctor, a nurse, they get their education, they get their license in order to be able to put that PhD and RN at the end of their name. But it doesn't stop there. They have to take continuing education courses in order to maintain their license. And that just ensures that they learn the latest techniques, the latest procedures, the latest information that's out there in the medical field. And so I feel the same way about the maintenance class because I am utilizing social media to promote my business, and I want to be able to attract the attention of those people that are on Facebook and Instagram and those other social media realms. And our coaches, Coach Kibi, Coach Noel, Coach Nicole, they go out and they look at those new features. They test them, they measure them, and determine whether or not it's something that would be feasible for our businesses. And then they come back and they teach us those different features. The other thing that I like is that I need to be accountable. And I know that if I don't have a roadmap to follow, then I'm going to fall off the track. So in the maintenance class, I am able to access the materials from the Story Sales courses and go back and review that information. I am also able to follow a path because we are given assignments to do. We also have group sessions where we come with our takeaways. So I like that type of learning. It holds me accountable and helps me to stay on task. So, all right, you guys have a good day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.